morning, everyone. I am here just showing you what our weather looks like this morning. It's raining here. It's been raining all night, and it's still raining. Still getting some thunder. Our electricity went out about 5 a.m. this morning. That's actually what woke us up, because our air conditioner and our fan went off, and it started getting warm in there. So that is what woke us up. Luckily, it went off after my husband's coffee got made. So he was able to get his coffee this morning. And it's so hot in my house right now with no air or fans going. So I thought I'd come out here on the porch and show you how my morning is starting. So my sweet grandbabies will be here soon. And they're going to come with no electricity this morning. So their dad is off today because of the weather. So I'm pretty sure Delana and Dalton will be out there with him most of the day. At least until electricity comes back on and it stops raining. So that's how my morning is starting. So I just thought I'd come on and share this little clip with you and let y'all see what's up, and in case I'm not on Facebook that much today, or my messenger, or not posting a lot today, but until my electricity comes back on, I can't charge my phone or anything, so I'm just going to try to stay off my phone as possible. So I wanted to touch base and let y'all know why I'm not on Facebook posting about pharmacy or anything like that. So, which sometimes today I will post or get on and talk about pharmacy, but I wanted something different this morning. I wanted y'all to see how my morning was going. Alright guys, so y'all have a wonderful day. If it's raining where you are, stay safe. If y'all are without electricity, try to stay cool the best you can. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.